and welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a really long time since I have filmed a video, so I'm back and doing a Black Friday haul for you because I've gotten so many requests and apparently everybody loves hauls, so I love doing them and I thought it'd be really fun to do it as a comeback to my YouTube. So I want to put it out as a disclaimer that yeah, I know like everybody, every time they do these videos, they're like, I'm not trying to brag. I'm not trying to brag at all. Like, people tell me they want me to do these. I'm like, okay, like, I'm up for that. I'm always up for spending money. But, I only went, like, I went to many stores. But I guess this year, I just really wanted to, like, really to not really relax, but not really spend as much as I have in the past. So I only bought from Ulta and Sephora, but like I bought a few things from each store, so I'm going to go ahead and show y'all what I got. So without further ado, let's just jump onto the video. Okay, so Thanksgiving night, we went to Sephora, so I guess I will start with Sephora just because that was the first place we went. So I got me a bag. Take all the wrapping out. Okay, so I got, okay, so this is the Becca Drenched in Glow. So this is a highlighter, a lip gloss, and then also the Becca Light Priming Filter, as y'all can see. And this one was $15 and the value of this was $50. So regularly like $50, but on sale for $15. And then the last thing that I got, which I kept it pretty small, was the Smashbox. So this was like all of their like primer stuff. So it was the primer water, the Smooth and Blur primer, and then the primerizer, which was just like a primer and moisturizer all in one. This was $22 and the value was $45. So I only got these from Sephora. Okay, and then last but not least, I'm so sorry that this was such a short little haul, but I will be doing lots more hauls, like especially like when it gets nearer to Christmas and like I'm buying for a lot of friends. I'm definitely going to be coming back and doing another haul video, like a little gifty haul or something. And y'all give me like any ideas for Christmas as far as like video ideas, like DIYs or kind of how to stay on a budget, how to maintain a budget or things like that when you're having to shop for so many friends. Because I know in the past, like I have like there are so many friends from school and work and just like close friends and family. It can get a little crazy around Christmas, and especially like when you have like the little adoption things, all that can be a little crazy sometimes. So I try my best sometimes just to kind of relax when I shop, and I am going to be doing some online shopping this year just because like I just don't want to fight the crowd and all that, you know, big stuff. So yes, y'all let me know down below what y'all want to see on this YouTube. I know it has been, like I said, crazy since I've last uploaded. So next I went to, or this morning I went to Ulta. So the first, well, I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all. So this is the Hair Care Heroes. So it is hairspray and leave-in conditioner and heat spray, and just like a lot of stuff. So you have a lot of like cool brands like AG Hair Care, Shy, hope I said that right, Redken, and just like a lot of cool little stuff. So I'm excited about this little box, and this was $9.99, a value of $62. So that was a good deal. Okay, and then the next thing that I got was, this is the MAC. So this was the MAC lipstick. It was just like a little red lipstick, and then the MAC Prep and Prime, and then a little mascara. I don't know how much this retailed for, but I do know that it was $20. So, and actually I kind of do want to like look at the mascara. I actually have not looked at it. So, oh, holy cow. So I love that bristle, if y'all can see that. Love this. I'm actually really excited about this mascara, like so excited. So that was that, and then last but not least was Tarte, and this is the Tarte light camera lashes. So I'm not really a fan of this mascara, but I mainly got it for the eyeshadow palette because I love my Tarte palettes. And it also came with like a little sample of the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, so this is, wait, are people texting me? Okay, so this is the mascara. I don't know why I'm not a fan of this mascara. I'm just not a fan of it. I don't really think it does anything to my lashes, so that's just probably why I don't like it. Okay, but this is really what I wanted, or this is why I bought this, was because of the Tarte palette. And this is the, I don't know if this even has a name, but it just has so many pretty neutral kind of peachy colors. Peachy bronze colors. I'll show y'all up close. How pretty, y'all. So excited. I am like really stepping out of my comfort zone when it comes to eyeshadow. Like I've been playing with like bronze colors and like plum colors. So this is actually, I'm so excited for this one. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. Be sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you have your post notifications turned on, because I never know when I'm going to film. Like, I have to get in the mood for it, and I never know when I'm going to upload. Hopefully this video will be like uploaded like by the end of today. Like, knowing me, it probably won't, but hope so. But yeah, never know when I will film or upload, so be sure that if you enjoy my videos that you have everything turned on so you will get notified. If y'all want to see any more haul videos, let me know about down below kind of what haul videos, because if you know me, I'm always up for makeup and I'm always up for spending money. So I will talk to you guys later. Hope y'all have a happy Thanksgiving and see you near Christmas. Bye y'all.